National Nutritional Week is celebrated each year from 1st September to 7th September. National Nutritional Week is conducted to increase the awareness of proper nutrients and diets needed to be consumed by the human body. It emphasizes the importance and role of the right nutrition for the human body. National Nutritional Week is an annual nutrition event organized by the Food and Nutrition Board by the Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India. History of National Nutritional Week. National Nutrition Week was instigated in March 1973 by the members of the American Dietetic Association, now the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, to enhance the awareness among people. Back in those days, National Nutrition Week was not popularly adopted by the population, neither was given importance to such movements. But with the upcoming years, we saw changes according to a survey. It was concluded that in 1980, the public showed great response towards it, which resulted in its rise among countries globally. Finally, in 1982, the central government of India decided to establish this movement and considered it a week-long celebration of National Nutritional Week. Importance of National Nutritional Week. In a country like India, people are least bothered about the malnourishment and the improper diet causing harm to their basic lives. To encourage such citizens, the National Nutrition Week is organized for an entire week. The aim of National Nutrition Week is to process the intake of food for growth, metabolism and repair. Our body needs two types of nutrients, that is micronutrients and macronutrients. The campaign is apprehensive and provides us with the knowledge of proper diet. Planning in our diet was never our concern, but the initiative of establishing this campaign has boosted the crowd to take steps against their ill diet and maintain the state of their diet charts towards a balanced way of life. Importance of good nutrients are: provides us with energy to manage our lifestyle, maintains our healthy body, maintaining the immune system, delays the effects of aging, reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Healthy diet increases the lifespan. Ways to observe National Nutritional Week. We all could come together on this day and according to our potential, we could donate a few food grains or crops to people in need nearby us. We can do ourselves a favor and replace our unhealthy food stock with veggies, fruits and nutritious snacks, which is easily available in any market. Facts about National Nutritional Week. Every year, the Food and Nutrition Board handpicks a theme for National Nutrition Week through its 43 community food and nutrition extension units located in all the 4 regions of the country. The percentage of children 6 to 59 months who are anemic has come down from 69.4% to 58.6%. On March 8, 2018, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Poshan Abhiyan from Jhunjhunu, Rajasthan with the vision to make India malnutrition-free by 2022. According to a study, it is presumed that only 21 days are enough to change your unhealthy habits and to transform you to better version.